the 200 on here right now. Please welcome Lucky. Who's the Lucky? Hey, what Water buffalo or the Asian buffalo. Ini dipanggil kerbau air ataupun kerbau Asia. Biasa dipanggil kerbau Afrika. Salam. Okey lagi. Oh, lagi cerita orang yang buat sebenarnya dia boleh sama. Dia tak senyum lah. Okay, when everybody roll applause, keep the hand guys. Well, there is a grand finale of the Everyone Fantasy program. Terima kasih. Okay, our next program di Avian Star ataupun program burung bermula 12.45 teman. Okay, 12:45 sharp. Okay, now we're gonna have a photography session. Tadi sesi gambar. Anybody have a photo, you can come down. Siapa nak ambil gambar boleh? RM10 je. Tunai, tanpa tunai pun boleh. Thank you.